In this video, I'll be showing you how to make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to go ahead and do is go over to our settings application and then scroll down, and then you're going to see sounds and haptics as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Now within that, as you can see, I'm currently on silent mode. But let's say I still want alerts through vibration. What I want to do is scroll down and I'm going to see haptics. Now haptics stands for vibration. Go ahead and click on it, and then you want to make sure play in silent mode is on, but you can just have it on always play as well. And it says haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert, or it says haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert when in silent mode. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. So yeah, you can just keep it on, play it on silent mode or always play. And yeah, then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.